Morning. Very clearly just woke up. It is 2:45 and I have a 7.5 hour drive ahead of me. Let's do it.
Watch it burn until the neon turns out. I can feel it turn to stone. Let my thoughts go. Let me live in my own world. Only I know how this feels.
Alrighty. We are an hour and 52 minutes from Guadalupe Mountains. I'm going to use that to catch like an hour nap. And then I pulled up on this restaurant. Here, let me show y'all. Alpine Lodge. But yeah, anyway. I'm exhausted, so let's get a nap. Wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. Yeah, so anyway, found a breakfast buffet. I'm full as hell. And I got an hour and a half left to drive.
I never planned this. I never knew that I'd be here.
I parked my car and then the reality of this whole thing hit me. This is gonna be nuts. So the weather is actually the best it's been here in like a long time, like throughout the entire winter season. And so I am overdressed. So I'm gonna have to drop a few layers and carry them all up there with me. But yeah, I gotta stop at the bathroom first. I'll get all my gear on, show the fit, and then get at it. I just changed into everything. Got all my gear out. Well, this definitely won't be a walk in the park. Guys, I'm like a third the way to my campsite, which is like just over 3 miles into the mountains. Made it to the camping site. Sun is still up. Where is my hand? I gotta set this up and then hike the rest without my gear and then watch the sun go down. That's the goal. Word on the street is there's a guy named Derek who's gonna be hanging out with me tonight. He might have this campsite.
But I need this. This is mine. Where the time go is so easy to forget now. Stop the thinking. Start to live.
I got about an hour and a half till sunset. I'm pretty much set up on the camp. I think I'm gonna take this time to eat some food, drink some water, relax a little bit. And then we're gonna hike up that way, about a mile more, but I'll have like no gear, so it'll be a breeze. One thing I need to be aware of is I need to elevate my food so it doesn't get eaten by critters, which apparently is really common. So yeah, I'm gonna hang it from a tree right here. Yeah, let's do it. This is so stupid.
All the lights flash.
Cheers. Alrighty, so for the last mile, this is all I need. I can leave the rest of my stuff in here. Let me give you a little room tour. It is just a tent and my bags.
But it's over. Fall asleep. Was I ever really there? And this sleep beginning, floating through these dreams, the world is not compare. Was I ever really
I don't even know what to say. This is nuts. And it's just amazing up here. You literally have a 360 view of the Earth's curvature.
goes down and the sky turns to navy blue? Watch it burn and rust and think of you. I wonder when this all will.
We're out here having to carry 40 pounds of shit on my back on like a 3-mile Stairmaster was hard for me. Just I feel like I'm so out of shape recently. But I did it and got up here, set up my camp, went up to that mountain, met a cool ass dude named Derek. He was just sitting up on the mountain. He was like an NPC waiting for me to give me his next quest. And man, was it nice, because I had someone to walk down with after, talk to. And he's camping out over here too. He's like 200 feet that way. And at midnight tonight, while I'm stargazing, and it hits my birthday, I'm gonna crack open this and just sit there looking at the stars for the next hour. But yeah, no, this was awesome. Man, I really want to have people that would never think to do this on their own experience it on their own. There's something about it, especially with it being my first time. This is my very first time backpacking anywhere. This is my very first time solo camping. And I'm a veteran at camping, so I wasn't worried about that. But like having to carry all my shit up, be sure I had enough food, be sure I had all the supplies I needed to get me through the night healthily and comfortable. And I did it so far. I mean, the night's young. I think it's literally 7. It's 7:25. So I've got time for 5 hours. Met the dude Derek, right? I'm probably gonna go hang with him, see what his story's like. But yeah, dude, this event right here is it's what I want this year to look like in a nutshell. Just shit like this. I just want to be living. It's kind of cold out right now. A high of 75 when you're down at the bottom, and a low of 50. And so it's obviously colder in the mountain. I think it's around 40 here right now, which is reasonable. I have layers. And then I'm gonna sleep in a tent, a sleeping bag within a tent, yeah, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna be straight. No, I'll wake up and have some oatmeal with Derek. Dude invited me over for some birthday oatmeal. Oh yeah. Yo! Little fucking rat. Oh my god, they're actually everywhere. This little fucker is so cute, but he's running. Yeah. What do you want? Dude, what are you coming at me for? No fucking way. Dude. See if we can catch this dude in the act. Well, go on. You fuck. Yo! Okay, so the little mouse did seem like he was going to be a problem. I don't see him at the moment, but he did seem like a problem. So, I went ahead and slammed some bag of cookies. Came over here to my food bag, dumped all the crumbs out right there, and then I put the trash in the bag, suspended from the tree. So hopefully the little dumb mice don't try to nibble holes. Fuck you. Don't try to nibble holes in my my tent, and then into my sleeping bag, and then into my toes. And maybe they'll just wander on down here, grab a little bite, and then stare at the bag for the rest of the night. Just crying and sadness, I guess. That's the ideal situation here.
Will get me through. I swear I'm fine. I just need time to let it go.
It's like 5:30 a.m. The night was chill. I took a nap on a rock for like an hour, and then I woke up and was like, fuck, I gotta get in my tent. Because it was cold. Climbed in my tent. It's barely hanging in there right now. The wind picked up a lot last night, so now I think a lot of my steaks are coming up. But I'm done sleeping in here. I think I'm gonna get up, try to watch the sunrise. That's the goal. I want to get some cool video of the sun rising on my birthday in the mountain. It said it was supposed to rise at around 6:30, but I feel like it's gonna be a little earlier being in the mountain. It was a lot later sun setting in the mountain, so that's the goal. We're gonna watch the sunrise. I got breakfast with Derek, hopefully, if he's still down to do that. He said he'd make me some oatmeal, which, by all means, bro, I'm there. The noises last night were really tripping me out, since my tent is not pitched in the best way. It's got a lot of give, it's got a lot of wind bouncing off of it and making it move around. There were times I'm like, nah, something's at my door, just about to claw in and kill me. But like, I didn't genuinely think that. But I was questioning it. I was like, what if? So yeah. I went to bed at 10, got 2 hours of sleep till midnight, woke up at midnight to go have my first drink in the mountains. My first drink as a 21-year-old. in the mountains. I don't have the best sleep right now, but as soon as that sun rises, I'm packing my stuff and I'm getting out of here. I've got a sunrise to catch. Let's go do it. And now we wait. I'm back.
Nowhere to shower around here. The other rest stops I stayed at, though.
Cheers, Derek. There it goes. The birthday hike. Camping out. What a day. What a night. And what a previous day. Oh my goodness.